A slice of heaven. Recreating the Cheesecake Factory experience. The Cheesecake Factory. Just the name conjures up images of towering slices of creamy cheesecake, topped with glistening fruit. It's a dessert destination, a place where dreams are made of graham cracker crusts and velvety smooth cheese filling. But what if you could recreate that magic at home? What if you could impress your friends and family with a cheesecake so good, they'd swear you secretly snuck into the Cheesecake Factory kitchen? Well, guess what? You can. This recipe will guide you, step by step, through the process of making a cheesecake that rivals the iconic original. Get ready for a taste sensation. Are you ready to embark on this delicious adventure? Let's gather our ingredients and get baking. Gathering your cheesecake arsenal ingredients. Before we begin, let's gather everything we need. This will make the process smoother and more enjoyable. Trust me, there's nothing worse than realizing you're missing a key ingredient halfway through. For the crust, graham cracker crumbs, 1½ cups. Sugar, 1/4 cup. Melted butter, 5 tablespoons. For the filling cream cheese, 4 8-ounce packages, softened. Sugar 1 3/4 cups. Eggs, 4 large. Sour cream 1/2 cup. Vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon. For the glaze, strawberries, 1 pint sliced. Sugar 1/4 cup. Water, 2 tablespoons. Now that we have all our ingredients prepped and ready, let's move on to the first step, making the crust. The foundation: crafting the graham cracker crust. The crust is the foundation of our cheesecake, providing a buttery, slightly sweet base for the creamy filling. Don't underestimate its importance. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 degrees Celsius. This is crucial for a perfectly baked crust. In a medium bowl, combine the graham cracker crumbs, sugar, and melted butter. Use your fingers or a fork to mix until the crumbs are evenly moistened. Press the crumb mixture into an even layer on the bottom of a 9-inch spring-form pan. This pan is essential for easy removal later. Bake the crust for 10 minutes. This will set the crust and prevent it from becoming soggy. While the crust is baking, let's move on to the star of the show, the cheesecake filling. Section 4. Creamy Dreams, bringing the cheesecake filling to life. The cheesecake filling is where the magic truly happens. It's all about achieving that perfectly smooth, rich, and tangy flavor. First, in a large bowl, beat the softened cream cheese and sugar together until smooth. Make sure there are no lumps. Next, beat in the eggs one at a time, mixing well after each addition, but hey, don't overmix. Then stir in the sour cream and vanilla extract. The sour cream adds a subtle tanginess that balances the sweetness. Now pour the filling over the baked crust. Spread it evenly with a spatula. And there you have it, folks. Now, onto the final touch, the glazed strawberries. Section 5. The sweet finale: glazed strawberries. The glazed strawberries add a burst of fresh, fruity flavor and a beautiful, glossy finish to our cheesecake masterpiece. So, in a small saucepan, combine the sliced strawberries, sugar, and water. Cook over medium heat, stirring occasionally until the strawberries soften and release their juices, about 5 to 7 minutes. Then, remove from heat and let cool slightly. We're almost there. Just a few more steps and you'll be indulging in your very own Cheesecake Factory-worthy cheesecake. Section 6. Serving and savoring, your cheesecake masterpiece awaits. Once the cheesecake is baked, let it cool completely in the oven with the door slightly ajar. This will prevent cracks. Then, refrigerate for at least 4 hours or preferably overnight to allow the cheesecake to set completely. To serve, carefully remove the cheesecake from the springform pan, spoon the glazed strawberries over each slice. And there you have it, your very own homemade Cheesecake Factory original cheesecake. Each bite is a symphony of creamy, tangy, and sweet flavors, all coming together in perfect harmony. Enjoy!